Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a look at the penny stock that's set to explode. CHEK, ticker symbol CHEK. Before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. CHEK Cap Limited, a clinical stage medical diagnostics company, engages in the development of a capsule-based system that utilizes low-dose X-rays for screening of the colon to detect polyps, masses, and colorectal cancers in Israel. Its C-scan system consists of C-scan cap, an X-ray scanning capsule, which is designed to measure, collect, and transmit structural information. C-scan track, a biocompatible unit worn on the patient's back for capsule control, tracking, and data recording, and C-scan view, a personal computer-based software package, which is designed to retrieve and process clinical data from the C-scan track, and to reconstruct and produce 3D visualization of the colon's inner surface. The company was founded in 2004 and is based in Isfiya, Israel. As at September 2020, CHEK Cap had cash of $21 million and no debt. Importantly, its cash burn was $13 million over the trailing 12 months. Therefore, from September 2020 it had roughly 19 months of cash runway. While that cash runway isn't too concerning, sensible holders would be peering into the distance, and considering what happens if the company runs out of cash. Because CHEK Cap isn't currently generating revenue, I consider it an early stage business. So while I can't look to sales to understand growth, I can look at how the cash burn is changing to understand how expenditure is trending over time. Over the last year its cash burn actually increased by 7.0%, which suggests that management are increasing investment in future growth, but not too quickly. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but investors should be mindful of the fact that will shorten the cash runway. Clearly, however, the crucial factor is whether the company will grow its business going forward. One Wall Street analyst has issued ratings and price targets for CHEK Cap in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $1.50, predicting that the stock has a possible downside of 13.29%. The high price target for CHEK is $1.50 and the low price target is $1.50. There are currently one buy rating for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. CHEK Cap last issued its quarterly earnings data on November 17, 2020. The medical research company reported 9 cents earnings per share for the quarter, missing analysts' consensus estimates of 8 cents by 1 cent. CHEK Cap has generated $1.73 earnings per share over the last year. CHEK Cap has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Friday, March 5, 2021 based off prior year's report dates. Institutional ownership is 2.49%. The most recent news from the company comes from December 30th. At this time, it was given notice of a 180-day extension to regain Nasdaq exchange compliance. That gives the stock time to push above the $1 minimum required to list on the market. CHEK is currently priced at $1.73 and is up 10% after hours. I personally own some shares in this company and will continue to build my position on the corrections. While I am bullish on the stock, please remember this is still a penny stock and holds a higher risk to reward. I would only allocate 1 to 2% of my portfolio to this stock. I do think what they're doing is fantastic and their technology, if approved, will be a game changer and help out tremendously in the medical field, as well as help us fight one of the world's most horribly diseased colorectal cancers. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.